Question 2. Find the range of values of x for this equation. Okay, so let's bring all of it to one side first. And copy down the question. Okay, so this will be 3x squared minus 5x. 16 we bring there will become minus 16. And then positive of this bring there will become negative. So minus x, 2x plus 1. Okay, now we expand. Minus 2x squared minus x. Then the x squared and x squared we can minus off. So we get x squared. Negative 5x minus x is negative 6x. Negative 16 is just negative 16. Then we factorize this one. 1 minus 6 and minus 16. So we get two values. The first one is negative 2 and the second one is 8. So x plus 2 and x minus 8. So this is more than 0. More than 0 means we are going to shade here and here. If less than 0, here. Okay, so more than 0 will give us here and here. So the range of x will be x lesser than negative 2 and x more than 8. But since this is more than equals to, here we must add the equals to equals to. That's it. This is the answer.